Hello guys, my name is Essen and I am here with another video in which I am going to explain to you that how you can take full benefit of Procfu mini apps. Most of the people are not aware about Procfu mini apps and what benefit they can provide us into if we are using Podio as a system. So let me explain to you that how you can take benefit from this tool. So Podio is basically a database where you can store data about your customers, your clients. You can store your projects, your tasks, everything you can store there. But you know that there is a concept of workspace in Podio. So if you are a part of a workspace, you can see everything which is present into that workspace. So all the members, just like here, if I go to the activity section, I should be able to see all the members which are present there, and all the members who are the part of this workspace, they can see all the data which is present into different apps present here. So sometimes we are in a situation that we don't want to share all the data which is present into these apps. We just want to show them the projects app, or we just want to give them access to sales reps app. I'm just giving an example. So in that case, there is no solution in while staying in Portio to resolve this particular problem. So here Procfu can help us. So how we can achieve this? We can create Procfu mini apps. Those apps will be having access to only particular uh, particular apps, okay, which are present here. For example, let me give you an example. If I just want to give access to this sales reps app and projects app to to relevant sales reps, okay. So if I will create a mini app in that case. So it will look like this. That's a view of the mini app. Like it gives you an idea like how what Procfu mini app does. But let me show you how a Procfu mini app can look like. So this is the dashboard where they can see the stats about installation stage projects. This is a particular portal for a particular sales rep. This is test a sales rep. They have, we can see their email address, like we can see support stage projects, we can see installation stage projects. Right now the values are not present, that's why they are showing 0. We can see the tasks which are assigned to them. Similarly, total watts, because this is a demo for a particular solar industry, so they have such values. You can have different apps, and definitely your fields will be different. It's a dashboard where you can see your data, and there's some advanced KPI dashboards which can be created to explain further, to have them on dashboard. I will show them in next videos. So you can also see your projects where you are assigned. You can filter them, okay, by different stages, and different sections. Like this can be top menus showing here. You can create more menus here, and they will be visible here. If you click on particular, you can see the relevant tasks. For example, this is a menu for tasks. If I click here, I can see all the tasks which are assigned to me. Okay, right now the data is not showing because there is no task assigned. You can filter your task here too. Okay, so these are mini apps. You can see that these are very simple mini apps, but you can build a complete portal here, and you can make them more complex, have a complex logic here. So basically you can uh, build portals by using Procfu mini apps. You can have different apps which the data for which you can show here on these portals. And it's not difficult to create a Procfu mini app. It's very easy. You can simply click on create new app button, and you will be having an option to select particular uh, there are different tabs, like you have screen option, you have configuration option. You can hire a consultant to help you in setting up everything. You can change HTML of this. If the interface is not looking good, then you can change the whole interface of the app. You can make it more beautiful by using the options which are present here. I'm not going to go in details. This script option is very good too, but I will show you that what pricing plan will be required for using this option. So you will need this plan, this $25 plan to access Procfu Mini apps. So uh, so basically there are four benefits of using Procfu Mini apps. One is that if you want to give access to external members to your Podio, okay, and you don't want to, if there is a security reason, you don't want to give access to everything which is present into workspace, in that case you can use Procfu Mini apps. Second is that it can bring your Podio data to the external world. Those you can display that on your website, you can display that on different places. So you can do these things by using Procfu Mini apps. Similarly, these Procfu Mini apps are highly responsive. They are mobile responsive, so you can use, if you test them, their interface on mobile is very good. So it means that if you don't want to use Podio mobile app and you feel like it's not good enough, then you can create Procfu Mini apps, and you can give access to your team members to only mini apps, okay. And third thing is that you can build portals, like you can have menus here, you can click on a particular menu and you can see details about that. In that way, its interface is going to be good, and portals are really helpful in you know making your uh, data more in a, it will be visible in a better way, like so you can analyze your data properly. So this is a short demo. I will be creating more apps, more advanced dashboards into Procfu Mini apps, and if you need any help in improving your workspaces so your data is visible to the external world and your team members don't have access to everything which is present into workspace, then you can ask from me for development. Thank you very much.